Hi there, I am Dr. Julieta Martinelli and I am here in beautiful Samish Bay in Washington. We're at Taylor Shellfish Farm and today I want to show you how to shuck an oyster. So it's very simple. Of course, you need to have a beautiful oyster with you. First, we need personal protective equipment. You want to have a good pair of gloves with you. Next, we're going to need a special knife that looks like this. This is a shucking knife. Don't use any knife you have at home. Once we've selected an oyster, we want to have a strong surface. So we can use a paper towel, even napkins. Once we have our oyster in position, we're going to first introduce the knife here in the top part of the shell, and then we're going to move it in this direction. We're going to notice that there is a muscle there that we want to cut in order for the shell to open. And you want to firmly hold it with your hand so it doesn't move anywhere. And then we're going to slowly introduce the knife in the top part of the shell. Once it goes through, you're going to keep moving until you actually cut that muscle. And voila, shucked oyster.